Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot Hunter sailboat, Honu time. We've now made it into North Carolina. Join us every Friday as we learn to navigate these new waters and refit, renovate, and restore our new home. Thanks for all your support along the way. Look at this gorgeous water. Oh my God, it's awesome. So we just plotted our new course now that we know where the storm is going to sit and where it's going to turn and start coming back up. So we're going to be out of the major part of it. So I just plotted the new course and it looks like we're going to hit Cape Canaveral tomorrow morning around 5:30, 6 o'clock as long as we stay on this heading. But right now we've got the wind coming up on our port side aft, so I think we're going to try and get the sails up and get a little bit faster. We're sitting at about 8.5, 9 knots, just kind of surfing and riding what we've got going on right now. So if we get the sails up, we should probably get 10, 11, maybe 12 knots out of it, which will increase that time and get us there a lot sooner. But we've just opened up, or everybody else has opened up while I was plotting the whole cockpit area. There's such a nice breeze coming through right now. I gotta get changed because I'm sweating already. It's gotten warm this morning. So it's time to enjoy this sunshine. The scariness of last night is over and let's go sailing. What do you think, baby?
Whee! I can't wait to see this kite going.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, it's free. Tighten that continuous now. Beautiful. Oh, and it's dead quiet. It's so awesome.
We finally got the engines off for the first time.
Nice. Unfortunately, we had a problem with the furling line, so
Now we're going to have some issues getting it back down again.
yeah, we can get it down. We just won't be able to furl it.
Or put it back up again.
Yeah. How awesome, though. intense. Oh my god, the sail kept filling
and then we had to dump it and then let out the sheet while the guys pulled it out. You guys, that was absolutely fantastic action. Way to go, team.
Is the halyard secure? Oh, not yet. Okay.
We didn't lose the sail. We didn't lose any of the crew. I say it was a success. Absolutely nothing to see as far as the eye can see. It's fantastic. That squall that we've been trying to outrun all day is slowly closing in on us. The sea state's starting to get bigger. It's still behind us, which is nice, but it's definitely closing in on us. Still very pretty. That's definitely for sure. As you can see, this is us right here, this little white dot. And we're just hitting the tip of it. There's the bad part coming at us right here. So as long as we keep on this heading and we keep on going, we should be in good shape. The guys are doing a little bit of maintenance on the engine right now. So we're down to one engine at the moment, which puts us down to about 6.5 to 7 knots. Hopefully they'll get finished soon so we can kick it back up again and make sure we stay well ahead of the storm. We had a wee bit of an electrical issue a little bit ago. All of the electronics went blank on us and we had to restart the system and the breakers and all that kind of stuff. So I got to hand steer for a little bit, which was a lot of fun. But as you can see, there's absolutely nothing out here. So it's not like we really have to worry about hitting into anything or running into shipping lanes or anything like that. So it wasn't too much of a crisis by any stretch, but definitely a bit of a stressor when all the power goes out on the boat. But we're at it now, and we're cruising along.
Go dolphins!
Where are you guys?
There's one coming up on the starboard side.
There he is. Yeah. Woo! Nice!
Oh, we got a lively one.
Yeah. Holy, look at all you guys.
Morning.
Good morning.
We went through a crazy night last night. We didn't actually. The captain took over from us about 4 o'clock, and then all of a sudden, all the squalls started to hit. We saw them building up, but luckily we didn't have to ride them through. And then as soon as we got back down into our stateroom, the sky opened up. It was crazy.
Yeah, we got some of the wind, but man, it would change. We get go from 8 knots on our stern, clock around to 21 on our bow.
It was wild. Yes. And the waves were just straight on the bow all night long. So it was kind of a rocky, bumpy one, no different than we've had for the last couple of nights, but that's okay. We're on our way now into Cape Canaveral. And it's funny, Josh was saying it's like the cruise on shore leave. We're all excited to get onto land, and it's quite hilarious.
Get everything we need together.
Yeah.
So
it's been, what is it, Friday, so 5 days. I mean, we went stopped in Charleston to get gas, but it's been 5 days that we've been going straight, trying to outrun the storm. And it looks like there's a tropical depression that's now coming up from the south. So we have to watch that and monitor it and see how it looks for heading across the Gulf Stream. But all in all, it's gorgeous.
Have some planning to do there. So
yeah. But the day is beautiful right now, and we've got to get ready to dock the boat at the marina in Cape Canaveral.
We're here.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
It's pretty cool. We're just out for a walk around the marina here, just killing some time, but look at the clouds coming in over here. That's directly off the coast, kind of right up over the Gulf Stream. That's the tropical front that we could have been going through. So thankfully we stopped here in Cape Canaveral, hey?
Yeah, we're really quite lucky. We've been watching the clouds kind of moving in all afternoon, and the wind is really picking up, so it could have been a nightmare if we were out in the middle of the ocean right now.
It's good that we used the WRI weather routing.
They really helped.
And they were like, you guys need to stand down and sit tight till Tuesday, and that's what we've done.
Yeah.
So it's good stuff. Hello, Daniel Crane. We are in Cape Canaveral.
Yes.
Oh, maybe are. So we are finishing off here. This is where we will end this episode and our trip on the 56-foot Lagoon. So
yes. Our time crew has come to an end.
It has. The boat has sustained a few injuries on the trip down, and the owners are going to be here for a little bit getting some repair work done before they continue to the Bahamas. We're really bummed out about it because we were loving the adventure and the journey and the opportunity to help captain the boat across over to the Bahamas. So now we're just gonna fly back tomorrow to Virginia.
Get back to Honu,
get ready,
and then we're making this trip down in about a week's time.
Yeah.
So
we'll be back here. We'll probably go a little further south than this, and then we're gonna go across the Gulf Stream over to the Bahamas. So that's all coming up right away. We're looking forward to sharing that with you in the near future here. We're gonna go back now in time to our trip up the ICW and continue to share some of the stuff that we've done. We've just completed a major amount of work on Honu, and we're looking forward to sharing that stuff with you as well. So
stay tuned for the adventure and kind of just all that's been happening. It's been a wild ride, and we can't wait to share it with you.
Let's just say Honu got a good makeover.
Yeah.
You think we did some work before? Oh my god.
Yeah,
anyway.
We had a real shakedown cruise.
We did.
So don't forget to keep on watching, subscribe, like, and keep those comments coming. We're having a ton of fun interacting with everyone.
We really are. It's been so cool. We've actually made some really good connections. Some viewers even reached out to us here saying, hey, we see you're in Cape Canaveral. That's our neck of the woods. So we're going to try and hook up with some people along the way. It's cool.
Yeah. Awesome. So we hope you've enjoyed this little snippet into what we've been doing this past week, and we will get you back to your regularly scheduled programming.
See you later. Bye. Just grabbed the binos out, and babe, what do you see?
There's a monkey on the beach.
there's monkeys over there.
We've waited our 4 hours for the tide to come back up again so we could go through Watts Cut. And it was definitely a good choice because the reason that you want to go when you're going into a lowering tide is because the current through here is intense.
100% a reason why you watch these charts and these cartography maps of all these channels and stuff. This big fish boat passed us, I don't know, about 2 hours ago.